War doesn't always begin with bullets. Sometimes it begins with noise, data, misinformation, confusion. At a covert military intelligence fusion center, defense analysts were drowning, not in enemies, but in information. Drone feeds, radio chatter, field reports, satellite images, all of it critical, none of it connected. They had pieces of the puzzle, but no picture. 3 days later, the dots connected. Too late. The adversary had already moved. Military responded, but the opportunity was gone. It wasn't a failure of vigilance. It was a failure of visibility. Then came the shift. A new force entered the room. Not human, but artificial. Prophecy Guardian. No longer just feeds and fragments. One AI engine. Thousands of data points. One unified threat picture. Drone sees a shadow. Guardian matches the vehicle. A call is intercepted. Guardian translates, tags the voice, links it to a handler caught on OSINT. A burner phone pings near a comms tower. Guardian traces it to a wider terror network. What once took hours now happens in seconds. Today, intelligence isn't gathered, it's orchestrated. Decisions are no longer reactive, they're predictive. And every threat is met with the full force of fused, real-time insight. In modern warfare, intelligence is the battlefield, and Prophecy Guardian is your advantage.